My father goes to go with my carols because scene one, a happy family. The stage lights out. The family sits together, laughing and playing. We were poor, but we were happy. My father was always laughing and sober. Although we didn't have much, we smelled the delicious food of my wealthy neighbor every day. It felt as joy as could be to were feasting. Answer neighbor looking round.
Look at them, laughing and growing healthier every day while my children grow weaker. It's not fair.
Scene 2, the accusation. The neighbor enters the family's home angrily, accompanied by a lawyer.
You've been stealing the aroma of our food. Your laughter is too loud, and your health has improved at our expense.
You're taken to court. Prepare to pay. Father laughs heartily.
Ako sa tayo. Sabi ko dito, yung
Maybe it should be. Pay for the aroma. Maybe it should be interesting. Scene 3, the courtroom. The court scene. The judge sits at a desk. Father and neighbor stand before him. The narrator watches from the side.
press mo. Palitan mo.
Let the case begin. Neighbor, state your complaint.
This man and this family, they become healthy from it, while we have grown weak. We demand payment.
What do you say, Father? Your Honor, we enjoy the aroma. It's true, but you still something intangible. An interesting point. Do you have a way to resolve this? Father pulls out a small bag of coins, jingling them loudly. Here's payment, Your Honor. The sound of money for the smell of food. The courtroom erupts in laughter. Even the judge smiles. Case dismissed. A clever solution indeed. Scene 4, the celebration. Back at home, the family celebrates. And so, we return to our lives full of laughter and joy. My father taught us that happiness isn't about wealth, but about gratitude, cleverness, and heart full of love. The family gathers, laughing and playing as a